Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Real Speaking Pod. I am your host, Jack, and today I am going to share an English practice with you. Our topic is choosing the perfect gift for someone. We give gifts to show love, respect, thanks, care, and friendship. Take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Now let us begin together. Choosing the perfect gift means finding something that feels right for another person. Perfect here does not mean very expensive or very big. Perfect means suitable, thoughtful, and meaningful. Suitable means right for someone or something. Thoughtful means kind because you think about another person's needs, likes, and feelings. Meaningful means important in a personal way. A perfect gift can be a book, a scarf, a cup, flowers, a notebook, homemade food, a small toy, a useful tool, or even a kind letter. Today, we will practice English for talking about gifts. We will learn words like present, surprise, occasion, budget, choice, taste, preference, memory, wrapping paper, card, and appreciation. A present is another word for a gift. A surprise is something nice that someone does not expect. An occasion is a special time, like a birthday, wedding, graduation, holiday, or family visit. A budget is a plan for how much money you can spend. Appreciation means thankfulness. Let us begin with one simple sentence. I want to choose the perfect gift. Repeat it slowly. I want to choose the perfect gift. You can also say, I want to buy a gift for my friend. I am looking for a birthday present. I need something special for my mother. I want to give something useful. I want the gift to be meaningful. These sentences are natural and clear. Clear English is better than complicated English. Complicated means difficult, with many parts. Practice these gift sentences. I need a gift. I am choosing a present. I want something thoughtful. I want something useful. I want something beautiful. I do not want to spend too much. I have a small budget. I need to think carefully. Carefully means with attention. These sentences are useful when you are shopping or talking with someone about a gift. Now let us imagine a learner named Daniel. Daniel has a close friend named Sarah. Sarah helped Daniel many times with his English practice. She listened to him when he was nervous. She corrected his mistakes kindly. She also encouraged him when he wanted to give up. Give up means stop trying. Now Sarah's birthday is coming soon, and Daniel wants to choose a gift for her. He says, I want to give her something special, but I do not know what to buy. At first, Daniel thinks about buying an expensive gift. Expensive means costing a lot of money. He sees watches, perfumes, bags, and electronic things in shop windows. Electronic means working with electricity, like a phone or speaker. But Daniel does not have a large budget. He feels worried. Then he remembers something important. A good gift is not always about price. Price means how much money something costs. A good gift is about attention. Attention means focusing your mind on someone. Practice price sentences. This gift is expensive. This gift is affordable. Affordable means not too expensive for you. I cannot spend too much. I have a small budget. The price is too high. I need something simple. A simple gift can still be meaningful. I want to choose with care, not only with money. These sentences help you talk about buying gifts in a realistic way. Daniel sits at his desk and thinks about Sarah. He asks himself, what does she like? What does she need? What does she use every day? What makes her smile? These questions help him choose. He remembers that Sarah loves reading, tea, and quiet evenings. She often brings a notebook to English class. She also likes soft colors and simple things. Daniel says, maybe I should choose something connected to her real life. This is a very good idea. Now let us talk about preferences. A preference is something a person likes more than another thing. You can say, she prefers books to clothes. She prefers tea to coffee. She likes simple designs. She does not like very bright colors. He loves sports. He enjoys cooking. He needs something for work. If you know a person's preferences, choosing a gift becomes easier. The gift feels personal because it matches the person. Practice preference sentences. What does she like? She likes books. What does he enjoy? He enjoys football. What does my mother need? She needs a warm scarf. What does my brother use every day? He uses headphones. What color does she prefer? She prefers blue. What kind of gift would be useful? A notebook would be useful. These sentences help you think before buying. Thinking first can save money and avoid mistakes. Daniel makes a small list. First idea, a book. Second idea, a notebook. Third idea, a teacup. Fourth idea, a box of tea. Fifth idea, a handwritten card. Handwritten means written by hand, not printed by a machine. Daniel smiles when he writes handwritten card. Sarah helped him with English, so maybe he can write a short message in English. It will not be perfect, but it will be honest. Honest means true and real. Now let us practice gift idea sentences. I could buy a book. I could buy a notebook. I could buy a teacup. I could buy flowers. I could write a card. I could make something at home. I could give a small but meaningful gift. Could is useful because it talks about possibilities. Possibility means something that may happen or may be chosen. When you are not sure, say, I could. Daniel goes to a small bookstore. A bookstore is a shop that sells books. He looks at many books. Some books are too difficult. Some books are too expensive. Some books are beautiful, but not right for Sarah. Right means suitable or correct. Then he finds a small book of short stories. The cover is simple, and the stories are easy to read. Cover means the outside front part of a book. Daniel thinks Sarah likes reading, and this book is at a good level. Practice bookstore sentences. I am looking for a book. Do you have short stories? Is this book easy to read? How much is this book? Do you have something for English learners? I would like this one. Can you wrap it, please? Wrap means cover a gift with paper. Wrapping paper is beautiful paper used around a gift. These sentences are very useful when buying a gift in a shop. Daniel buys the book. Then he sees a small notebook near the counter. A counter is the table where you pay in a shop. The notebook has a simple cover and good paper. Sarah likes writing new English words, so the notebook would be useful. Daniel checks the price. It is affordable. He buys the notebook too. Now the gift has two parts, a book for reading and a notebook for writing. He feels happy because both gifts connect to Sarah's interests. Now let us talk about useful gifts. A useful gift is something the person can use. It may not be fancy, but it helps in daily life. Fancy means special, decorated, or expensive. A notebook, pen, bag, cup, scarf, charger, kitchen tool, or study lamp can be useful. A useful gift says, I noticed your life. I noticed what you do. I chose something that can help you. Useful gifts can be very thoughtful. Practice useful gift sentences. This gift is useful. She can use it every day. He needs this for work. My friend can use this for study. This gift is simple but practical. Practical means useful in real life. I think this will help her. I think he will like it. These sentences help you explain why a gift is a good choice. After the bookstore, Daniel goes home. He puts the book and notebook on his desk. They look nice, but he wants to add something personal. Personal means connected to one person or life. He takes a blank card. Blank means empty, with nothing written on it. He writes, Dear Sarah, thank you for helping me with English. Your kindness gave me confidence. I hope this book and notebook bring you joy. Happy birthday, Daniel. Joy means happiness. Daniel reads the card again. The English is simple, but the message is warm. Warm here means kind and friendly. He feels proud because he wrote it himself. Proud means happy because of effort. A handwritten message can make a gift more special. Sometimes people keep cards for many years because the words carry memory. Carry here means hold or bring. A simple card can say what an expensive gift cannot say. Practice card sentences. Happy birthday. I hope you like this gift. Thank you for your kindness. I appreciate your help. Appreciate means feel thankful for something. You are a wonderful friend. This small gift is for you. I chose it because I know you love reading. I hope it makes you smile. These sentences are useful for birthday cards, thank you cards, and friendly notes. Now let us talk about gift wrapping. Daniel has blue wrapping paper and a small ribbon. A ribbon is a long, thin piece of cloth or paper used for decoration. He wraps the book and notebook carefully. Carefully means with attention. He folds the paper, tapes the edges, and ties the ribbon. Tape is sticky material used to hold things together. The gift looks simple and beautiful. Daniel says, the outside should look nice, but the inside meaning is more important. Practice wrapping sentences. I am wrapping the gift. I am using wrapping paper. I am folding the paper. I am using tape. I am tying a ribbon. I am adding a card. The gift looks nice. I hope she likes it. These sentences are good for present continuous practice. Present continuous describes actions happening now. I am wrapping, I am folding, I am tying, I am adding. The next day, Daniel brings the gift to English class. Sarah is sitting near the window with her notebook. Daniel feels a little nervous. He worries that the gift may be too simple. Simple means not big or fancy. But then he remembers his reason. He chose the gift with attention and care. After class, he walks to Sarah and says, "Happy birthday, Sarah. I brought you a small gift. Thank you for always helping me with English." Sarah looks surprised. She says, "Oh, Daniel, thank you. You did not have to." This phrase means the person is thankful and did not expect a gift. Daniel says, "I wanted to." Sarah opens the gift carefully. She sees the book, the notebook, and the card. She smiles. Then she reads the card quietly. Her eyes look warm. She says, "This is beautiful. I love it." Daniel feels relieved. Relieved means happy because worry becomes smaller. Practice giving gift sentences. Happy birthday. This is for you. I hope you like it. It is just a small gift. I chose it because I know you like reading. Thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for helping me. These phrases are useful and polite. Polite means respectful and kind. When you give a gift, you do not need long words. A simple, kind sentence is enough. Practice receiving gift sentences. Thank you so much. This is very kind of you. I love it. It is beautiful. You did not have to. I really appreciate it. This means a lot to me. These phrases show gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness. If someone gives you a gift, respond warmly. Even if the gift is small, the person's care matters. Matter means be important. Now, let us talk about mistakes in choosing gifts. Sometimes people buy gifts too quickly. They choose something they like, not what the other person likes. Sometimes they spend too much and feel stressed later. Sometimes they choose something too personal for someone they do not know well. Sometimes they forget the card. These are common mistakes. Common means happening often. A little planning can help you avoid them. Practice avoiding mistakes. I should think about the person first. I should know my budget. I should choose something useful or meaningful. I should not spend more than I can afford. Afford means have enough money to pay. I should not choose too quickly. I should add a small card. These sentences use should for advice. Advice means helpful ideas about what to do. Now, let us build your gift choosing structure. First, think about the person. Second, think about the occasion. Third, decide your budget. Fourth, choose something useful or meaningful. Fifth, add a personal message. Sixth, give it with kind words. This structure is simple and strong. It can help you choose gifts and also explain your choice in English. Practice the structure in a paragraph. I want to choose a gift for my friend. First, I will think about what she likes. She likes reading and tea. Then, I will think about my budget. I do not want to spend too much. I will choose a book and a box of tea. I will also write a small card. I hope the gift feels thoughtful and personal. This paragraph is clear, natural, and useful. Now let us build your gift sentence bank. I need to buy a gift. I am looking for a present. I want something thoughtful. I have a small budget. What does she like? What does he need? This gift is useful. This gift is meaningful. Can you wrap it, please? I will add a card. This is for you. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Keep these sentences ready. Now, practice questions and answers. Who are you buying a gift for? I am buying a gift for my friend. What is the occasion? It is her birthday. What does she like? She likes books and tea. What is your budget? My budget is small, but enough. What will you buy? I will buy a book and a notebook. Why did you choose that gift? I chose it because it matches her interests. Practice more answers. Do you prefer useful gifts or beautiful gifts? I prefer useful gifts because people can use them. Do you like surprise gifts? Yes, I like surprise gifts when they are thoughtful. What do you write in a card? I write a kind message. What do you say when giving a gift? I say, "This is for you. I hope you like it." What do you say when receiving a gift? I say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." Now let us practice a short speech. Repeat after me. I want to choose the perfect gift for my friend. First, I will think about what she likes. She enjoys reading, writing, and drinking tea. I have a small budget, so I will choose something simple and thoughtful. I will buy a short story book and a notebook. I will also write a card to thank her for her kindness. I hope this gift makes her happy. You can change this speech for your own life. Maybe you are buying a gift for your mother. Say, "I want to buy a warm scarf for my mother because she likes comfortable clothes." Maybe you are buying a gift for your teacher. Say, "I want to give my teacher a thank you card because I appreciate his help." Maybe you are buying a gift for a child. Say, "I want to buy a colorful book because the child loves stories." Now let us do final speaking practice. Answer these questions aloud. Who do you want to buy a gift for? What is the occasion? What does this person like? What does this person need? What is your budget? Do you want the gift to be useful, beautiful, fun, or meaningful? What message will you write in the card? How will you give the gift? Pause when you need time. Answer simply. I want. I will choose. I hope. One helpful practice is the gift idea journal. A journal is a place where you write your thoughts. Write 5 sentences before buying a gift. I am buying a gift for. The occasion is, this person likes. My budget is. I will choose. This helps your English and your real decision. Decision means choice. You can also write 3 possible gifts and choose the best one after thinking. Another helpful practice is the thank you card practice. Write a short card in English. Dear friend, thank you for your kindness. I hope you like this small gift. You are a wonderful person and I appreciate you. Happy birthday. This practice helps you learn warm and polite English. A gift becomes more special when your words are honest. Honest words can stay in someone's memory for a long time. Remember, choosing the perfect gift for someone is not about buying the most expensive thing. It is about thinking, noticing, caring, and choosing with love. A perfect gift can be small. It can be simple. It can be homemade. It can be useful. It can be a card with kind words. The important thing is the feeling behind it. Behind it means the reason or meaning inside it. When the gift matches the person, it becomes special. Before we finish, remember this. A thoughtful gift says, I see you, I know you, and I care about your happiness. Thank you for listening to Real Speaking Pod. I am Jack, and I am proud of you for practicing today. Your English voice is growing. One thoughtful choice, one warm card, and one meaningful gift at a time.